Today I'm taking a quick look at one of Seiko's new releases to their Presage lineup. This one is a special edition and is affectionately named the Ginza because of the cobblestone face which resembles the historic walkways of the Tokyo district. This is the SSA445J, an automatic 3-hand in the updated Presage design which comes with some retro styling notes. This one houses the 4R39 movement, which affords 41 hours of power reserve. The case measures in at 40.8mm in diameter and is 12.8mm thick. I think this watch really speaks for itself. The face is absolutely gorgeous and reflects the light beautifully. The cobblestone face looks amazing because each tile looks a little different than the one next to it, which creates a lovely visual effect. Aside from that, the open heart at 9 o'clock gives you a view into the movement ticking over, and right above that is a 24-hour sub-dial. There's no date window on this one, but it really doesn't need it, and I think the face will be way too busy with one included. The bracelet feels really sturdy, which is a great indicator of quality, and the clasp is milled out of solid stainless steel, which gives a satisfying click when you close it. It has got a bit of weight to it, weighing in at 140 grams, which again is an indicator of quality. Overall, the build quality on these new Presages is second to none. You really feel like you have a watch that is worth every penny. I can see this being worn as an everyday piece. It's just got that X factor that makes some watches shine above the rest. From the teal and black color scheme to the little details on the face, this watch is certainly going to be a head turner, and if it were me, I wouldn't be taking this one off. This piece is a limited edition. Seiko are releasing 4,000 of these, available worldwide. So if you like the look of this one, head on over to watchdepot.com.au and pick one up while they're still available.